Okay, welcome back to our class online. Now we are going to learn about question text. Nah, pelajaran kali ini sangat sering kita dengar dalam pelajaran bahasa Inggris ya. And now let's learn more how we can use the question text. Okay, talks about question text. It is the short form at the end of statement. They are mainly used in speech when we want to confirm something or when we want to find out if something is true or not. Okay, for example, it isn't a doll, is it? They are polite, aren't they? Nah, question text kali ini sangat simpel. Simpelnya seperti apa? Jika kalimat ataupun statementnya itu positif, maka kita ubah question text-nya itu menjadi negatif. Nah, kalau dia negatif, kita ubah menjadi positif. Seperti contoh berikut, it isn't. Nah, di sini isn't-nya adalah negatif, is not. Jadi kita tarik question tag-nya itu adalah is it. Kenapa di sini muncul is? Karena di sini adalah sudah diikuti dengan auxiliary, yaitu is. Nah, sama dengan contoh kedua, they are polite. Nah, di sini kita lihat auxiliary-nya adalah are. Karena ini berkonteks positif, maka kita ubah menjadi negatif, yaitu aren't they? Ya, jadi question text adalah penekanan tanda tanya, betulkah? Nah, betul demikian? Iyakah? Nah, seperti itu question text-nya. Jadi kita menekankan statement tersebut. Oke, kita lanjut. Nah, di sini ada beberapa jenis pengertian question text seperti yang tadi saya jelaskan, berkonteks negatif dan positif. Jadi kita tinggal mengubahnya. Oke, mari kita bahas. Question text are formed with the auxiliary or modal verb from the main sentence and appropriate subject pronoun. Nah, maksudnya di sini jika diikuti oleh modal ataupun auxiliary, kita langsung saja mengubahnya ke dalam question text tersebut. For example, Aurora is learning to draw a castle. Aurora is learning to draw a castle. Nah, di sini ada kata auxiliary-nya yaitu adalah is. Betul ya? Nah, karena sudah ada auxiliary-nya, maka kita langsung mengubahnya ke question tag menjadi negatif, yaitu isn't she? Nah, di sini subjeknya tergantung statementnya ataupun sentence-nya ya Aurora. Aurora adalah perempuan, jadi pakai she. Isn't she? Nah, number 2, Mark can't cook fried rice. Nah, di sini modal ya, can't. Jadi karena ini berkonteks negatif, cannot, so we change the question text become positive. Can he? Oke, sangat gampang ya, kalau positif ke negatif, negatif ke positif. Nah, bagaimana dengan we use a negative question text after a positive sentence? Nah, di sini kalau dia berkonteks negatif. Sonia will be here soon. Won't she? Nah, di sini will-nya itu sebagai modal ya, sudah dibantu ya. Jadi kita tinggal mengubahnya ke negatif, yaitu won't she? Iya, jadi won't itu dari kata will not. Jadi karena itu question tag mempersingkat pertanyaannya, jadi kita singkat won't she? Nah, there was a lot of traffic. Nah, di sini ada kata was. It is auxiliary, right? Nah, kalau dia positif tadi gimana? We change into negative, was become wasn't. Wasn't there? Okay, so easy, right? Okay, kita lanjut. We use a positive question text after a negative sentence. For example, Kayla won't be late. Now, for here, Kayla won't be late. There is the negative context here, won't from will not. So we make into positive in question tag. Will see. Okay, they don't do their assignment. Do they? Now, for example, here, don't. It is negative, right? Don't, we change the question tag become positive. Do they? You haven't got the money. Now, here is negative, have not, haven't. So when we want to change the question tag, it is have you? Okay, so easy. So how about this? Without auxiliary and without modals. How we can make the question text? Let's discuss. When the verb of the sentence is in the present or past simple, we form the question text with do or does or did and the subject pronoun. So when the verb is present tense, we do or we make the question text between do and does. While the verb, if the verb to, yeah, or past simple, we make the question text did. Okay, for example, Jane doesn't like sport. Nah, take a look of this here. Doesn't. Why does not or doesn't? Because Jane is girl, or we can say the third singular ya. Orang ketiga tunggal yang penggunanya pakai does or the verb put s or es. So because this sentence is negative, does not or doesn't, we change the question tag become positive. Does she? Okay. Number two, they went to Bali. Nah, here no, no auxiliary, no modals. Directly go to the verb. They went, right? So this verb when it is verb to, right? Or past simple. When past simple, when you find the verb past simple, we make the question tag in did. Okay. Now it is positive, right? They went to Bali. Because this is positive, we make the question tag become negative. Didn't they? Okay, don't did they? Because this is positive. If positive, we change to negative. Didn't they? Okay, now we go on. When the sentence contains a word with a negative meaning, like never, hardly, seldom, or rarely, the question tag is positive. Jadi kalau kita temukan itu dalam sebuah kalimat, langsung dia berisi never, hardly, seldom, or rarely, that's the question tag is positive. Okay, for example, they hardly ever go to the cinema. So even though you think that there's no not here, tidak ada kata not di sini, it means if you find out the hardly, never, rarely, seldom, you have to make the question tag become positive. They hardly ever go to the cinema. Do they? Okay. Why use do here? Because the verb here, verb one, go. Okay, understand? And then the subject here, they. If she, he, it, we make does because this is the subject, they, so we make do. Do they? Okay, number two, he never plays football. Okay, the verb here, plays, it is verb one or present tense. And the subject here, he. He, it, match with does, right? Because this is never, we find never here, so the question tag must be positive. Does he? Okay, so once again, if you find out in a sentence never, hardly, seldom, or rarely, you make the question tag positive. Okay, next, some verbs or expressions form question tags differently. Okay, so for example, I am thin. How we can make it into the question text? Impossible, am I, and I think that's not good, yeah. Am and I. So that's why this is the maybe exception, yeah. Maybe I can say it. I am thin. So we make it are. Okay, because this is positive, we make into negative. I am thin, aren't I? Okay, remember ya, when you find I am or am here, so it is use question text become are. So if it is positive, change into negative, yeah, aren't I? Okay, next, imperative. In imperative, when the text is imperative, like stop talking, it you can make will or want to. It depends on the text, yeah. The sentence is positive or negative. So stop talking, we can make it want to. Okay, if the sentence is imperative, dia imperatif kalimat tanya atau menyuruh, kalimat perintah, ya. Kalau dia kalimat perintah, so you make the question tag will or want. Okay, it depends on the sentence. If positive, change negative. Okay. Nah, di sini saya buat beberapa exception that it will be refers to the subject it and they. Anything, nothing, everything, and something. This subject refers to it. Okay, remember ya. Anything, nothing, everything, and something. It refers to it. Okay, so that we can make the question tag ya. Doesn't it, do it, possible do ya. So doesn't it or something else. Okay, did it, didn't it. Okay, so the subject here, anything, nothing, everything, something, itu adalah pakai it. Oke, bagaimana dengan somebody, someone, everybody, everyone, and no one. Nah, di sini karena ada kata some, so it means the subject, or I mean, it refers to they. Yes. Okay. Okay, I think you have to remember this, yeah. If you find the subject become somebody, it refers to they, it everything, it refers to it. Okay. Now let's discuss about this exercise. If you understand about the question text, I think you can answer this. Okay, let's check one by one. Okay, number one. I like wearing colorful costumes. Okay, what is the answer of here? I like, so it means it is present, right? So when it is positive or negative? Positive. So we change into negative. Don't I? Yes, correct, yeah? Because this is verb one and present tense, and the subject I, it matches with do. Because positive we change into negative. Don't I? Okay. Number two. She went to the cinema last week. Nah, here bahwa kalimat yang kedua ini tidak memiliki modals or auxiliary verb. Jadi kita melihatnya adalah verb, yaitu went. Nah, di sini ada kata kerja kedua, yaitu went. So, ketika kata kerja kedua, kita menggunakan question tag-nya itu adalah pakai did. Oke, didn't she. Okay, here didn't put dia. Okay, stay typo. Didn't she? Okay, she went to the cinema last week because the verb two we make didn't or did. Yeah, it depends on the sentence. Okay, go on number three. Sharon hasn't written any novels. Okay, take a look of this sentence. Hasn't or has not. It is negative. So we change into positive because this is it helps us with the has not, so we just take become has she because it's negative. Hasn't become has she. Check it out. Yes, has she. Okay, now number four, sit down. Okay, what do you think about this question? It is imperative or what? Okay, so the question is will you, because this is imperative or kalimat perintah. Okay, next. Sultan never drinks beer. Okay, how do you answer this? When I told you just now that if you find never, rarely, how do you make a question text? Of course, it will be positive. Okay, does she? Yes, okay, remember, yeah, I don't think because this is, you don't find the word of not, or maybe you don't think that this is negative, so you change into negative. No, because there, I mean, word never, so we change into positive. Okay, next, the last. Nobody called me yesterday. Okay, nobody. So nobody, it refers what subject we can make here. Okay, you have to remember. Called, it is the verb to, right? Now, because it's a verb to, let's check it out the answer. Did they? Of course, yeah, did. This guy explain about called because this is verb to or simple past. They, nobody. Okay, I think that's all about the question text. I hope all of you can understand about the question text. Just remember, when you find out the statement is positive, change into negative, and negative change into positive. And